Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Vetroo AL900, a case that's making waves with its focus on aesthetics and modern features. The first thing that grabs you is the 270 degrees full-view tempered glass design. It's not just a window. It's a panoramic showcase for your components and RGB lighting. If you've invested in making your PC look good, this case wants to flaunt it. Vetroo is pushing their new YKX design, which is all about hiding those unsightly cable connectors and making cable management a breeze. This is a welcome change, as clean cable management is key to both airflow and overall aesthetics. Compatibility is another strong point. The AL900 supports up to a 360mm liquid cooling radiator at the top, and you can pack in up to 10 120mm fans. It handles ATX, MATX, and YTX motherboards, and there's plenty of room for beefy GPUs up to 410mm long, meaning even the latest RTX 40 series and AMD R7 cards will fit without issue. Power supplies up to 200mm are also supported. The front I/O panel is well equipped, featuring a high-speed Type-C port alongside a USB 3.0 port and other standard connections. The inclusion of the Type-C port is a great addition for modern devices, offering fast transfer speeds. Inside the box, you'll find the AL900 case itself, a manual, a screw accessory kit for ARGB and PWM fans, and a controller with a remote. The inclusion of the fans and controller is a nice touch, giving you everything you need to get started with both cooling and lighting right out of the box. The Vetroo AL900 seems to be targeting users who prioritize both form and function. The spacious interior, combined with the panoramic tempered glass, makes it an excellent choice for showing off high-end components and custom builds. The inclusion of ARGB fans and a controller adds further value, making it a compelling option in the mid-tower case market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.